Struggling to schedule a Webex meeting without missing steps? Follow this guide to set up your meeting in under 5 minutes. I'll walk you through each step, from signing in to sharing the link. Let's start with logging into your Webex account. So, first things first, head over to the Webex website and sign in with your credentials. This is your company or personal account, whatever you use for work. Once you're in, the main dashboard will appear. Over on the left side, you'll see a sidebar menu. Go ahead and click on the option that says Meetings. This takes you to the central hub, where all your upcoming and past meetings live. Now, on this Meetings page, look for the Schedule button. It's usually a bright blue button right at the top. Give it a click. The system will then think for a second as it loads the full scheduling page. Just give it a moment to do its thing. Here's where we really get into it. You'll see a field at the top that says Topic or Meeting Title. Click into that and type something descriptive. I always suggest something clear, like Weekly Team Sync or Client Proposal Review. It makes life easier for everyone later. Next, let's set the date. Just click on the date picker and select the day you want. Right below that, you'll choose your start time and end time. Use the drop-down menus to pick the exact hour and minute. And don't forget to double-check the time zone right next to it. Webex usually guesses your local time, but if you're scheduling for a team in a different region, make sure to adjust that now. It's a common pitfall, but an easy fix. All right, now for a few optional but really handy extras. If this meeting is going to happen every week or every month, look for the Recurrence option. Toggle it on, then choose how often it repeats and when it ends. This saves you from having to manually set it up each time. You can also add a description in the big text box below. Use this for agenda points or a quick prep note. And if you want, you can start adding participants directly. On the right side, you'll see the Invitees panel. Just type in their names or email addresses, and they'll pop up. This is completely optional, though. You can always send the invite link later. So now we've got all our details filled in. Take a quick moment to scroll through everything. Date, time, title, recurrence settings. Make sure it all looks right. Once you're happy, just click the blue Schedule button at the bottom. Webex will process that and create your meeting. This might take a moment to save everything to your account. And there you go. Your meeting is now live. You'll see a confirmation screen with all the information. I usually just click the Copy Meeting Link button right there. That copies the join link to your clipboard. Then it's just a matter of pasting that link into an email, a calendar invite, or a chat message to your participants. You can also copy the full meeting information, which includes the dial-in number and password, if that's useful. From feeling a bit lost in the interface to confidently scheduling and sharing your meeting in just a few minutes. And now you know exactly where everything is, so next time it'll be even faster. Thanks for following along.